आज हम एक बहुत बेसिक सी प्रॉब्लम ये करेंगे कि many a times what happens is जो whatever we are introducing executing it from the sales register in tally does not match with the total sales account numbers. तो basically क्या होता है कि for example if I look at my profit and loss number, so then this sales accounts number we assume should match exactly with what is there in my sales register. So for example here if I go on to statement account books, and if I go down to sales register, so this number should match exactly with what is there in the sales register, but that does not happen, and the reason for that is, which I will explain it is how, is that if I go down to the profit and loss accounts and if I go down to the sales accounts and I press enter and I go down here and then I press enter here again, then I come down to ledger month summary and I come here again. So this is where it is a ledger voucher reports is being addressed. So here you see that ledger vouchers, we are coming down to what we call the ledger vouchers report. It is not the sales register report as we would probably understand. So tally is not going down to the sales register, it is going to the ledger vouchers report, right? Now if you, what many of you who've got the free sample, if you look at the ledger vouchers this thing, and if you look at the design of this particular thing, of this particular query in your Excel, right? If I look at this particular kind, this is available free, right? If I go down to that design and if I say data, just one second, and if I say here we go file, just one second, and if I say design query, or right, if I go down to say, if I look at this particular design of this particular report, right, design in the query, then you will see that this ledger vouchers report is actually taking ledger name as a parameter, right? So if there are 300 sales accounts ledgers, then the ledger voucher, you have to run this loop 300 times, correct? And if you have got two different companies, then you have to run it 600 times approximately. So now this resolution for this same is that what we have done is we have proposed to do it in a single run for unlimited number of companies. The JSON extract is turbo data. We have converted the tally schema onto the tally reports using a Power BI module here, right? So we sought to reverse engineer it, and as sales numbers are not coming from the voucher type name, the sales numbers are coming just as tally has decided that it should not be affecting stock, but it's coming from sales accounts. But here the benefit is that we are extracting unlimited number of ledgers, right? So it should affect the revenue account because that's how it is. It should not be void, it should not be optional, it should not be cancelled, it should be active, it should not affect stock, right? And then based on that, then you're getting the sales number, and this number will match exactly with the what the tally is giving in the sales account. So you have it all in a single table, and you can also get the same thing in a single table in a real-time basis in Excel, wherein you have the sales numbers, and then you have the ledger name, the ledger amount, and the debit credit, then the item names, and even the bill names, all in a single table. So the route is very, very different. That means the route here is that instead of using the voucher type name as sales, we've used the ledger primary as the sales accounts. So do contact us for a free POC and deployment of the module and get the right numbers in an automated basis. Thank you very much.